You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, on location, one light setup. And today, who do I have with me making this magic?
Hey y'all, this is Anna.
Okay, where can we find you at, Miss Anna?
Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Anna ANNA.Patino PATINO 14.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left hand corner. So we got some nature vibes right here. It's nice and humid. It's hot.
It's hot.
So we're gonna try to get through this as bugs. So are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Ready? All
Let's do
right,
it.
let's do it. We're gonna get this test shot right here. So you're gonna be like right here. You're gonna be like right here. All right, I'm gonna get a test shot right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Listen, don't judge my cable, all right? This is the only cable I had right now, so we're gonna use this cable, all right? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect. And put your chin up. Perfect. Right there. Perfect. All right, let's see. Oh, I love that. Hold that right there. Perfect. Keep that right there. Perfect. Okay. One, 2, 3, let's go. Stop right there. Perfect. Yeah, stay right. Do that one more time. Yes, that's it right there. Yeah, let me see. Let's see. What, the heels? All right, she taking the heels off. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Alright. I'm gonna get a different angle, so I'm gonna shoot from this side actually. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go with this direction and give me the same thing. All right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Stop right there. And give me a twirl. Perfect. Give me a twirl, and I want you to walk up back that way. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. I'm gonna have you in the middle, right there. Yeah, I got you. I like that. Got the sky kind of like opening up right there. So we're gonna come this way. All right. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like that. And perfect. Let me check that. Yeah, I'm just gonna change this right here. Oh, she ready to get up out of there. Yeah. All right. That's gonna be it right there. All right. Oh, you trying to squat? Nah, go ahead and do that squat. Yeah, we sitting. Like sitting. Yeah. Come on, you, I know you, there we go. You can squat. Yeah, squat on your knees like that first. Yes. Uh-oh. All right, perfect. 1, 2. All right, 2. All right, full power right here. 1, 2. You know what? Let me come from this side, and I'm gonna shoot you kind of like on the track, like right here. This should work. 1, 2, 3. All right.
I wish I knew.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.